Hi, I'm Andy Grunlow, Product Manager for Electro-Voice Portable Speakers, and today I'm going to talk about the EVERSE 8's weatherization. Included with every EVERSE 8 is this weatherized input cover, and when this is properly installed, the speaker will achieve an IP43 rating. And what that means is that it will withstand water spray from up to a 60-degree angle, and it will handle that when it's in this normal upright position here. Also, if it's in the kickback position, and if it's on its side in a tilted monitor position as well. Now I'll show you how to install it. Before you install the weatherized input cover, you should always inspect the gasket to make sure that it's intact and clean. And we also want to inspect right around this channel on the amplifier panel to make sure that is also clean and free of any debris. We wouldn't want anything in the way that might compromise the seal. And then to install the cover, we simply line up the gasket with the channel on the amplifier panel and firmly press into place. You'll feel the weatherized input cover bottom out on the amplifier panel, and you'll see that it's completely flush when it's properly installed. And it's just that simple. And once it's installed, you can still operate your EVERSE 8 speaker off of battery power, control it via Bluetooth, and stream via Bluetooth.